all of your favorite TikTok art creators, literally encouraging you to stay mediocre. This video is not about shitting on them. This video is a proper criticism for these creators, why you shouldn't follow them. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. So these big art creators, I'm not gonna say their names, but they aren't making art. They are just copying. And yes, those are copy works. And on my previous videos, I already talked about how you should copy, but you need to understand that these creators, these big renowned TikTok creators, TikTok art creators aren't making art anymore. They are just copying from photographs. And also realistic drawings are a trap in and itself. And you also need to understand they are famous because they create engaging videos, not because they draw well. There are thousands of artists who draw well, don't have as much as cloud they have, and the art they create itself is very mediocre. And I personally think it's not their fault, because they are creating what their audiences want to see, and I think their audiences are like 15 to 20 years old teenagers, I think, and people really resonate with those type of contents. And copy works are very popular into these online art communities, and I can definitely tell that they are making what their audiences want to see. So it's not their problem. The main problem is from our side. We don't appreciate good things. We appreciate mediocre things. So here's the final take. If you want to learn art from these online TikTok art creators, a big no. These people are still learning art, and they are not someone you should look up to. So you should find a proper art teacher who encourages you to study, not copy works from online and other stuffs. I highly recommend that you find a teacher for yourself who encourage you to do study, not copy. And if you want to know my argument with copying art, you can watch this video. I made this video previously. If you want to watch that, you can watch this video. And also there is if you want to know how to practice, I have made a Skillshare class. Link will be in the description. And that was it. Goodbye.